Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of disabling read receipts in Skype. This feature is useful if you want more privacy, so others won't see when you've read their messages. Whether you're using Skype on your smartphone or computer, the steps are simple and can be done in under a minute. Let's get started. Unlock your phone and launch the Skype app. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile photo or initials in the top left corner of the app. This opens your main profile and settings menu. Tap on Settings. This is where you'll find options to customize your Skype experience. In the Settings menu, select Messaging. This section controls how your messages behave, including read receipts, typing indicators, and more. Look for the option called Read Receipts. There will be a toggle switch next to it. By default, it's usually turned on, meaning others can see when you've read their messages, and vice versa. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. It should no longer be blue or highlighted. Once turned off, 1. Other people won't see if you've read their messages. 2. You also won't see if others have read yours. 3. This applies across all devices using the same Skype account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled read receipts on Skype, giving you more control over your privacy. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.